Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, we have the unboxing of the Google Pixel 6. This phone was released on October 19th, and I finally got my hands on it. This is the blue model, or as Google calls it, sort of C-form. It has a 6.4-inch OLED display, as well as a 50-megapixel camera on the back. This model also has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, but of course, you can configure it to up to 256 gigabytes. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here is the box itself. Pretty basic. You have a picture of the phone on the front. You have Pixel 6 on the side here, and just some information on the back, and it says hashtag Team Pixel. And to open it, we just peel these two plastic stickers off, and then just lift up the top of the box, and here we have the phone itself. I actually like this color. Like I said, it does come in 3 colors, but to me this one looks the nicest. And right off the bat I can see the large camera that's kind of sticking out. Alright, we'll put that to the side. And in the box we also get the charging cable, as well as the adapter for USB. And we also have just some standard paperwork. It also has the instructions as well as the SIM card removal tool. So let's go ahead and put this stuff aside and check out the phone itself. So let's go ahead and turn this on, which we can do by just pressing this button. There we go. It says Google. This is of course made by Google, so we'll get that animation, powered by Android. Alright, so I'm just going to read you some specs as we wait. This is a full 6.4 OLED display and has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, which is protected by, of course, Gorilla Glass. The Pixel 6 weighs about 207 grams. It has 24 hours of battery life, up to 48 hours with extreme battery saver, and of course this is powered by a 4600 milliamp hour battery. It also has fast charging, which means it can charge up to 50% in half an hour. And we also have a 50 megapixel camera on the back and an 8 megapixel camera on the front. So yeah, those are just some specs from the phone. Alright, so here is the phone itself. It says welcome to Google, and we can click get started. Connect to mobile network. Let me go ahead and do that. All right, so I have just connected to my internet, and we're just gonna let this do its thing. And it says getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. All right, so we don't want to copy that for now. And it says checking info. And now it asks us to sign into our Google account. So let me just go ahead and do that. And now it just asks us to just agree to some terms and conditions. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Set a PIN. We'll skip that for now. Review additional apps. We'll just hit OK. And it looks like we're almost done. Swipe to navigate your phone. And there we go. We're all set. So let's go ahead and just take a quick look at this and some of the new features that come with it. Alright, so here is the phone itself. So this does come with a 6.4-inch OLED display. It looks very nice, and I think it's just big enough where it's not too big, but it's also big enough where you can watch movies or play games. On the front here, we have the 8 megapixel camera. We have the power button. We have the volume buttons on the side. And then on the back, we have the 50 megapixel camera. It also does 4K video recording. On the bottom, we have the USB-C port. We also have some speakers here. It does have fingerprint unlock, so if we want to do that, I have not set that up yet, but we can go ahead and do that as well. Alright, and here's a size comparison between the Pixel 6 and the iPhone 12, which is just a little bit smaller, just for a comparison. And that's what it looks like from the front. So just a quick comparison in case you want to see how it stacks up with the iPhone 12. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to hit the like button, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see any more videos with this phone. And I'll see you guys in the next one.